Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Gmail app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.